So I want to thank the LSA, and I urge you, don't look back. You have criticisms, you have critics, let them talk, but listen. Those you bring close to you, like President Sowore, bring him close. When I say president, president with small p, not capital P. It's only President Tinubu has capital P. So President Sowore, come close, say your own mind. There's nothing wrong in you saying your mind. Because the more you allow somebody to bring out what is in chest, the better for you and him. The moment you turn down somebody and you try him, and then you allow him to go haywire. I think it's very important. So when I was coming in, I met President Sowore there. I was very surprised to see him. But I'm also very happy to see him because we'll hear from him what are the issues that he thinks the government should do or must do for him to be a happier person. Because when he's happy, the people that follow him, that respect him, that believe in him, will also be happy. And that's life. But the more you tie somebody down, tie his neck, twist him, and he can't talk, you'll be saying, you don't know what he wants to say. But let him open his mouth and say what he wants to say. So President Sowore, I invite you to feel free, come to me as you used to. We met a couple of times at the peace committee meetings when you were gunning for presidency. Maybe one day you'll be at this Aso Villa as president. You didn't say amen.